Many of you have probably heard this windshield wiper noise. Even though the wiper blades are new and in good condition, there's an unpleasant squeaking or scraping sound as the rubber moves across the glass. First, let's see how a wiper should work properly. When the blade moves in one direction, the rubber tilts in that direction, and when the blade moves back, the rubber changes its angle. The problem occurs when the rubber does not change its angle, even though the entire wiper changes direction. That's when this unpleasant noise appears. To fix this, we first lift the entire wiper and place it back onto the windshield to see in which direction the wiper arm is bent. In this case, it is bent to the left, which causes the rubber to sit like this, although it should sit like this. Next, we take any kind of protection for the metal part of the wiper and, using pliers, bend the wiper arm slightly in the opposite direction of the bend. The final result should look like this. When the blade is at rest, after lifting it and placing it back on the windshield, it should stand straight and perpendicular to the glass, just like in this example. Now the wipers will no longer make that unpleasant scraping noise. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. See you!